How to make rotos on CapCut. Add keyframes as I do. Zoom the clip on the first keyframe, move it to the top right, and to 10 degrees. Zoom the clip again on the last keyframe, move it to 10 degrees down to the right. Add this custom graph between the first and second keyframe. And this one between the second and third keyframe. On the second clip, rotate it on the first keyframe to -10 degrees. Move it top right and make it smaller. Rotate the clip to 10 degrees on the last keyframe. Make it smaller and move it down to the right. Add this custom graph between the first and second keyframe, and this one between the second and third keyframe. Select Zoom 1 on the first clip from Combo Animations. And select Zoom 2 on the second clip from Combo Animations. Result.